Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the item price feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the selling module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set and manage item prices for efficient selling. To begin, let's navigate to the selling module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the selling-related functions. Once you're in the selling module, locate the items and pricing tool. This tool allows you to manage various item-related functions, including item prices. Click on the item price option to set or update item prices. In the item price list, you'll find the existing prices for different items. To set a new item price, click on the Add button. In the item price form, you'll find different fields to fill out. Start by selecting the item for which you want to set the price. You can search for the item by its code or name. Choose the price list that you want to associate with this item. A price list contains different pricing tiers or rates based on various factors. Specify the currency in which the item price is applicable. Enter the price value for the item in the specified currency. Once you've filled out the necessary details, click on the Save button to set the item price. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the item price has been set successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the item price feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the selling module. Streamline your selling processes with Parsimony's efficient item pricing functionality. Thank you for watching this tutorial.